Hello YouTube, today we're going to see how to fix this download failed. The download was unable to complete. Please try again later in your WhatsApp application when you're trying to download a video or a photo in WhatsApp. This error usually occurs when there is no internet connection or if there is a storage issue. To fix this, what you have to do is you have to go to the top slider and just go to flight mode and just turn it on. So you can see the flight mode button in the top right. So you have to click on that one. Or if you hold on that button for a long time, you can see that flight mode is here. Just on it for just 5 to 10 seconds and turn it off. So this will refresh your internet connection. And now you try to open WhatsApp, it will work. The next step, what you have to do is you have to go to settings and search for storage. From storage, you have to go to your storage settings and check how much storage your phone has. If the storage is very less, then what will happen is you cannot download that particular media file. So check that you have enough storage to download the media file, video or photo. So this is the way you can fix this error. Just try and tell me in the comment section below. Give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.